coots, mud hens would come through on their fall migration. The Bad River and the Kakagit sloughs were full of them. There's thousands of them. You don't see them in those numbers now.
The wood turtle is an ancient leftover from glaciation approximately 12,000 years ago. The wood turtle echoes the Ojibwe migration to Wisconsin, following almost the exact same path. It moved north and subsequently west along the St. Lawrence River. The wood turtle prefers moderate to fast, hard, clear streams and rivers with forested riparian corridors. Wood turtles nest on sandy substrate in well-drained areas. The Bad River and Tyler Forks River both provide suitable habitat for the wood turtle. The northern long-eared bat is a medium-sized bat and, like all bats, is an obligate cavity nester. The Anishinaabe creation story for bats describes a squirrel who saved the sun when it was trapped in a tree. The sun asked the squirrel what it always wanted, and the squirrel answered, to fly. The sun then made the squirrel a better flyer than birds. Thus, bats were born. The northern long-eared bat prefers a dynamic forest cover of old-growth ash, hemlock, and sugar maple, along with young saplings. Wetlands provide important foraging range for the bat.
The Tyler Forks River, which our community tribal members use and our threatened and endangered species use, is a river that flows north, connecting with the Bad River through Copper Falls, eventually draining into Lake Superior. Both the wood turtle and the northern long-eared bat rely on this river as a source of food and water, reproduction, and shelter. If we can keep the water clean, as well as the land, then our species will continue to thrive.
Such as habitat destruction has a tremendous effect on both flora and fauna, plants and animals.
Some of the environmental threats to the wood turtle include, but are not limited to, pollution of the river due to mining and human interaction, habitat destruction, collection of wood turtles for trade and biological supplies, hay mowing, and road deaths. Some of the environmental threats to the northern long-eared bat include, but are not limited to, habitat destruction, hibernaculum disturbances, white-nosed senjum, and wind power from the turbines.
There's a lot out there. It's ecology is what it is, where everything is interrelated.
Despite persistent threats to the wood turtle and northern long-eared bat, the outlook is not grim. Citizen action will be important in managing and understanding these species. Even basic scientific information can help immensely. In combination with traditional ecological knowledge, this information can help inform management for First Nations. Volunteering can play a huge role in assisting endangered populations and raising awareness. Groups like the DNR Bat Monitoring Program, Bad River Youth Outdoors, Bad River Watershed Association, and Wood Turtles Forever help to educate, gather data, and restore habitat.
Well, I'd say education in the schools on environmental issues.
And is that happening today?
I don't think so.
Direct action in the form of protests, discussions, and celebrations have a long history in Bad River. Actions like these may be necessary to stop a mine that would destroy and degrade precious habitat for many species, not just the endangered ones we focused on.
I think enough people have to stand up and raise hell. And I think it's going to come to that with this mining issue. And it's civil disobedience.